Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Get Driving Experience. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos and share it more and more. In this video I will tell you about how to drive safely. There is few tips. So guys, press the bell icon button for more updates. Let's start the video. First of all, whenever you behind the wheels of car, whether alone or with passengers, driving safely should always be your top concern. We are more distracted than ever, so it's crucial to know the basic of safe driving and practice them every time you are on the road in driver to drive responsibly. Here are some safe driving tips. First of all, focus on driving. Ignore distraction while driving and maintain focus on the road is key to driving safely. In order to keep focus while driving, you should follow these steps. Keep 100% of your attention on driving at all times. No multitasking. Don't use your phone or any other electronic device while driving. Slow down. Speeding gives you less time to react and increase the severity of the accidents. Defensive driving. What is a defensive driving? First of all, we know about that. What is defensive driving? Defensive driving is when motorists use accidents preventing techniques with a focus on driving safely. You may have been eligible for the defensive driving discounts. To practice defensive driving, be aware of what other drivers around you are doing and expect the unexpected. Assume other motorists you will do something crazy and always be prepared to avoid it. Keep a 2 seconds cautions between you and the car in front of you. Make that 4 seconds that the weather is bad. Make a safe driving plan. Build the times into your trip schedule to stop for food, rest break, phone calls, or other businesses. Adjust your seat mirrors and climate controls before putting the car in gear. Pull over to eat or drink. It takes only a few minutes. Secure cargo that may move around while the vehicle is in motion. Don't attempt to don't attempt to retrieve items that fall to the floor. Have items treated within easy reach, such as the tolls, fees, toll cards, and garage passes. Always wear your seats belts and drive sober and drug free. Don't allow children to flight or climb around in your car. They should be always buck in their seats. Too much noise can easily distract you from focus on the road. Avoid driving when you are tired, but aware. Be aware, but that some medications cause drowsiness and make operating our vehicles very dangerous. Learn more about the drowsy driving. Always use precautions when changing lanes. Cutting in the front of someone changing lanes too fast or not using your signals may cause any accident or upset their drivers. Be extra careful while driving during their seasons. And if you are in an accident, first make sure no one in the car is injured. Next, check in the passengers, is other vehicles, pedestrians, and anyone else nearby to make sure there is okay. Then do these five things. Leaving can result in the legal consequence line like fines or additional violations. They will be dispatched on officers and medical response to the sense of the accident. Once the cops arrives, wait for them to complete an accident report. If you are on a busy highway, stay inside the car and wait for the public wait for the police and the ambulance. It is dangerous if passengers stand along a freeway or other road with lots of traffic. And thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like my videos, then share it more and more. Stay blessed and connected with us. Allah Hafiz.